Hello, and welcome to our English speaking practice video. Today we will practice English conversation, vocabulary, and listening. Repeat after me, speak clearly, and have fun. Let's begin. Part 1. Greetings Introductions. Let's start with greetings. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm doing well. What's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name? My name is David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now, let's practice this in a short dialogue. Anna. Hi, how are you? David. I'm good, thanks. What's your name? Anna. I'm Anna. And you? David. I'm David. Nice to meet you. Anna. Nice to meet you too. Now you try. I will be Anna. You be David. Ready? Host as Anna. Hi, how are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Part 2. Daily English Questions. Host. Let's practice common daily questions and answers. Repeat after me. Where are you from? I'm from India. Where do you live? I live in New York. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. Now, practice with me. I will ask the question. You answer. Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like your job? What do you do in your free time? Part 3. Speaking practice with role play. 5 Sala 7 to 30. Let's try a full conversation. Hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? That's great. What do you do? I love learning new things. Do you like learning English? Great job. Repeat this conversation again with a new name or job to practice variety. Part 4. Useful vocabulary. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary. Repeat after me. Feelings and responses. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I'm okay. Daily actions. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I go to bed. Polite expressions. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me? I'm sorry. That's okay. Host. Now I will say a sentence. You say the correct response. Host. Thank you. You. You say, you're welcome. I'm sorry. You. You say, that's okay. Part 5. Listen, repeat conversation. Host. Let's do a longer conversation. Listen and repeat after each sentence. A. Hello. B. Hi. A. How are you today? B. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? A. I'm great, thanks. What are you doing this weekend? B. I'm going to visit my family. A. That sounds nice. I'm going to the park. B. Enjoy your time. A. You too. Now you be person B. I will be person A. Host. A. Hello? How are you today? What are you doing this weekend? That sounds nice. I'm going to the park. Enjoy your time. Great job. Part 6. Simple question practice. Let's practice asking and answering questions. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? What's your favorite food? I like pizza. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Now you answer. What's your name? Pause. Where are you from? Pause. Do you like English? Pause. What's your favorite movie? Pause. You did an amazing job today. Let's review what we practiced. Greetings and introductions. Daily questions and answers. Vocabulary for daily use. Speaking with role play. Listening and responding practice every day. Speak loudly, clearly, and with confidence. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more English speaking practice. See you next time.